Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. In Hackerrank problem solving, we are solving the questions from the subdomain warm-up. We have done with compared the triplets. We'll go to the very big sum next. You can find the link of this question in the description given below. In the problem statement, it is asking sum of elements in an array, but it's a very big sum, which means it might go beyond integer. If you clearly observe, it returns long. That means sum of array elements, which must be the long integer. So here also it is given you are required to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array, keeping in mind that some of those integers may be quite large. Even if you take some test cases, you can see the 5 values how large it is. You can see here the AR of I, the value inside it might go 10 power 10. If it is up to 10 power 9, which is actually 2 into 10 power 9, which is integer. So if it is going beyond that, that means you must think about the data type, which must be taken above integers. We will see the logic in Python. We'll try to write the code. Anyway, in Python, even if it is going beyond the integer, it's not a problem. Integer in Python, which might take a very long value also, even if it is 100 plus digits also, absolutely fine. So that's why not a problem. You can directly write how to find the sum of array elements. Even if it's a big integer also absolutely fine, you can directly return. So in Python, when you want to return the sum of array elements, you can use a for loop to take each and every element, or directly you can return the sum by using the method sum. So I'm writing sum of what is the method name AR. You can use the sum what is the array name, that is a list name AR, like this, and return it. So this much simple you can do it in Python. Even I have done this code in other languages like Java and C language. For that you must take care of the integer specification. You must go for long integer and you must write a loop. So anyway, run the code in Python. Yeah, success, and I'll submit the code. Only 2 test cases which are given and they are passed. So this much simple you can do it in Python. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is of almost 4 hours. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We are done with a very big sum. We'll see the next question, diagonal difference, in the next video lecture. Thank you.